Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be talking about direct drive linear motor stages. Direct drive stages are high precision positioning stages designed to move objects in a single direction along one or more axes. Unlike traditional screw-driven mechanisms, these stages use a linear motor to directly drive motion, delivering exceptionally smooth and precise operation without mechanical backlash. These stages are widely used in applications that require high accuracy and speed, such as life science automation, manufacturing, microscopy, optical alignment, and scientific research. Their high precision and speed make them ideal for tasks such as objective focusing and sample positioning in automated microscopy. They're also used in high throughput applications where speed and repeatability are important. Now let's take a look at specific direct drive linear motor stages that Dover Motion offers. First, we have our SmartStage ecosystem of direct drive stages. These stages combine stiff cross-roller bearings with embedded controls to provide a compact and high-performance package. The SmartStage XY provides 50 to 200 millimeters of travel, with accuracy up to 10 microns and repeatability of 0.8 micron, handling payloads up to 10 kilograms. For single-axis applications, the SmartStage Single Axis offers similar precision and versatility. The SmartStage Monolithic features a single-piece construction for the center section, enhancing stiffness and lowering the overall height. SmartStage OpenFrame XY is the first open-aperture linear motor stage with an embedded controller physically integrated inside the stage. Finally, for vertical motion, our SmartStage Z-50 delivers 50 millimeters of travel with 5 nanometer resolution, ideal for applications requiring precise vertical positioning for payloads up to 4 kilograms. Our DOF5 objective focusing stage is optimized for optical microscopy as well, and this one offers 5 millimeters of travel with sub-50 nanometer repeatability in a smaller package. Our MMS direct drive stages provide extended travel ranges up to 400 millimeters, maintaining high accuracy and repeatability for demanding applications. We also offer air-bearing stages for the highest precision positioning. Dover Motion's direct drive linear motor stages aren't just about precision. They're transforming industries through real-world applications. Take the SmartStage XY, seamlessly integrated into the Accelerate system. It automates battery test cell assembly in cutting-edge lab environments. We achieved alignment accuracy of 50 micrometers, significantly enhancing precision in a compact and controlled environment. Understanding that every application is unique, Dover Motion also specializes in manufacturing custom direct drive stages tailored to specific needs. This includes optimizing for higher speeds, integrating unique load capacities, or accommodating challenging environments. We also offer modifications to our standard products. Whether you're looking for standard options or need a fully customized solution, we're ready to be your partner. If you have any questions or need support, please feel free to reach out. We are here to help.